Hello guys, it's Velian Speaks Tech, and today I want to show you guys the new OnePlus Launcher version 4.1. Alright, but before we go to the OnePlus Launcher version 4.1 guys, I just want to show you what I have right now, which is the current version. And if you go and select it, you can see that I'm running right now the OnePlus Launcher version 4. Alright, so it's 4.0.0, okay? And moreover, if I go to the Play Store and I want to download it, you can see that it's already installed, right? And apparently in the version 4.0.0, the OnePlus Launcher 4.0 has added Android 10 full screen gestures and support full screen gestures in the landscape mode. But you cannot get the 4.1 guys. So what I pretty much did, and I'm going to post the link down below into the description of my video, you can actually install it manually. But before we install the OnePlus Launcher 4.1, just let's see again all the options we have in the current 4.0.0. So we have add icon to home screen, which means that when you install a new app, it will automatically be installed onto the home screen and not just in the app drawer. Swipe down for access of quick settings. This is pretty much the idea, like this, okay, then you have quick settings there. Shelf, so this is when you scroll on the right, then here you have the shelf, so apparently here you can add some things. Double tap to lock. We have the drawer, so you can either display all the apps in the drawer, that's pretty much what I have right now, or you can also choose the option to just display the quick search. And if you do so, you can just see here, okay, now I can select photo apps, games, shopping apps, and then you can go back here with this arrow and then get all the apps, alright? So you notice the difference. Actually, I don't like that, so I just want to have all the apps, guys, going back. Then you have notification dots, pretty much all the standard stuff. Now let me go straight away and install the OnePlus Launcher 4.1. Okay, so I'm installing it right now on my phone. I'm using, by the way, the Oxygen OS 10.0.1 based on the Android 10. So this is the latest stable update. If you want to see a review of this, you can see it here. Now you can see that the launcher has been rebooted. If I go now and check the version, now you can see we have already OnePlus Launcher 4.0.1, alright. And here in the update log, they added the launcher layout of the home screen only step counter. But what you notice that you immediately get a message that you can choose to display apps in both home screen and the app drawer, or only on the home screen, guys. This is pretty much what we have into the MIUI before, Xiaomi introduced Poco. And actually, let me just show you the settings. So right now, guys, we have all the apps into the drawer and then also on the home screen if you want. But what happens if I just select home screen only and hold the red, selecting it, applying it? Ooh, some magic. And guys, now you're gonna see all my apps are displayed here onto the home screen, guys. And I can tell you, when Xiaomi released the Poco F1, I was one of the first guys to buy it, and that's not a joke, especially in Bulgaria. I immediately fell in love with the Poco Launcher because it has the app drawer, right? So right now, Xiaomi, I think they're maintaining this option also for MIUI. You can apparently install it there also as well, so that you have all the applications onto your home screen, but then also in the app drawer. But this doesn't really work for me, guys, so I prefer go home settings, launcher layout, home screen and drawer. And let's see, just reversing the magic here. So now I have all my apps here that I want, and then I have, of course, all my applications into the drawer. And then I think if we just go back, you can see there are not so many new things, guys. One of the new things they put is on the shelf. So apparently when you go here on the shelf, it will ask you, okay, allow OnePlus to access your physical activity. And if you do so, you can apparently put a step counter, which I don't need because I'm using a Amazfit watch already, so I don't need that. But if you're keen, the phone can really track your steps. So I think those are like the two new major things, guys. If you don't like the OnePlus Launcher 4.1, you can always remove it, guys. So go back, settings, then you can just search for OnePlus Launcher. Okay, tap on the OnePlus Launcher, then just hit the three dots here and you can press Uninstall Updates. Now when this happens, you're gonna go to the previous version, which is pretty much now the version released with the very latest 10.1.0 stable ROM, guys. So OnePlus apparently are not pushing now the 4.1 version into the App Store, or maybe it's just for the people that are part of the beta program. And now I'm not part of the beta program, maybe that's the reason I don't have it. Okay, now the best thing you can do is really restart your phone, guys, and then everything is gonna be pretty much like normal. So guys, this was the OnePlus Launcher 4.10. If you like it, like my video, and don't forget to come for more. Bye.